I'm going to get straight to the point today. This patio umbrella is pretty cool. Let's check it out. All right, so here's the box it comes in. Inside the box, there are two pieces, the top half and the bottom half. So assembly is really easy. Once you finish taking off all of the plastic, simply press in this metal button right here, and this secures the bottom half to the top half. From there, go ahead and put the patio umbrella in this place. In my case, I'm going to put it through a patio table, and I'm going to go ahead and secure it to this base right here with this screw. And there you have it. It's all set up. Now let's go over its features. You have a manual wind and unwind. Once opened up, it's a nice solid color. It provides lots of shade. Now, what makes this umbrella so special is that it has solar powered LED lights. Everything is already included, already put together. The solar panel's right on top, right here. You just simply press this button right above the crank handle to go through the different light effects. So without wasting any more time, here's how the light show looks in the mid-evening. You can keep it on a solid color. I just wanted to run through all of the colors. And here's how it looks late evening. Pitch black outside. This thing really stands out. This thing is cool. If you were looking for something to elevate your backyard, this is absolutely it, hands down. We absolutely love this umbrella. And get ready for this question over and over again. You know which question it is. Where'd you get it from? Where'd you get it from? Because they will definitely be asking you, where'd you get it from? A couple other things to note, this umbrella does tilt. You just simply press this button right here and you can adjust the angle of the umbrella. Also, on a full charge from solar power, you should get around 4 hours of light. However, if that's not enough, you can simply plug in a power bank into this USB-C port right below the power button to provide more power. So, I hope this video answered a lot of your questions. For more information on this product or to purchase, I will put an Amazon affiliate link below. Take care. I will see you all in the next video, and thanks for watching.